Welcome to another video by Lame Creations, Log Analysis Made Easy, where our motto is more lame, less pain. Anyway, this video is going to be real quick. It's going to show you how to take your Zeek sensor, and by default, those logs are coming in TSV format. But if we want to change them, we can get them to come in Json. And simple method of doing that is we're going to go into Nano, and then you're going to go op Zeek share Zeek site, and then modify the local Zeek file. When you go into that, we just added this little stanza. It doesn't really matter where you put it. You're going to put at load policy slash tuning slash JSON dash logs dot Zeek. If you do that, then you'll exit and you'll do a Zeek CTL start, and deploy Zeek CTL deploy. I think that's the command. And when you do that, that'll redeploy your Zeek, and your logs will then come in JSON format. And we can see that by going op Zeek logs current. And if I go doing a tail minus F on conlog, we can see that they are JSON formatted now. Anyway, I hope that helps you and you can start moving and start using lame in all of your stuff. As we always say, more lame, less pain, and hope you keep coming back.